Love pasta but bored of the same old recipes? Today we're sharing 3 super easy and delicious ways to enjoy pasta. Let's get started. First, let's make a refreshing and colorful pasta salad perfect for summer or quick meals. Start by boiling a pot of water and adding pasta of your choice. Add a pinch of salt and let it cook until perfectly al dente. Once done, turn off the heat and strain the pasta using a colander. Now immediately run cold water over it. This stops the cooking process and keeps the pasta firm. Now let it cool. Transfer the pasta to a large bowl. Now add in broccoli florets, crunchy bell peppers, sweet corn, juicy grapes, olives, chopped broccoli stems, peanuts and fresh tomatoes. In a pan, heat a little oil. Add mushrooms, onions and garlic and saute them until aromatic. Once done, add this to your salad bowl. Now for the dressing, in a jar, add lemon juice, extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper. Now close the lid and shake it well until everything is combined. Pour the dressing over the salad and mix everything really well. And your fresh, vibrant pasta salad is ready to serve. Next up, a quick snack that's cheesy, creamy and super satisfying. In a bowl, take mayonnaise and add a little pasta sauce. Mix it well. Now add boiled pasta, chopped capsicum and grated carrot. Mix everything together until nicely combined. Now take bread slices and spread some butter on them. Now evenly spread the pasta mixture on top and finish with a generous layer of grated cheese. Heat some butter in a pan and place the bread slices. Sprinkle oregano and chili flakes on top. Cover and cook on low flame for about 10 minutes until the bread is crisp and the cheese melts beautifully. Now serve hot with ketchup. This one's a total crowd pleaser. Finally, let's make the ultimate comfort dish, creamy baked pasta. In a pan, add butter and let it melt. Now add refined flour and mix well to form a rose. Now slowly pour in milk while stirring continuously to avoid lumps. Keep stirring until the sauce thickens. Now add blanched vegetables, black pepper powder, mozzarella cheese and salt to taste. Add a little water and mix everything well. Let it cook for a couple of minutes, then add your boiled pasta and mix. Now turn off the heat and transfer the pasta to a baking dish. Top it with more mozzarella cheese and a sprinkle of black pepper. Now bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes until golden and bubbly. And there you have it, 3 super easy pasta recipes for every mood. Which one are you trying first? Do let us know in the comments, and for more such easy recipes, don't forget to like and subscribe to Times Foodie.